find a skill, set it up, and then automate it. Let me show you what that looks like. I'm going to keep this simple here and set up a daily news briefing. This is something Hermes can do with its built-in web search, so we don't need any extra API keys or accounts for this. So here, I'm going to send a message at the bottom that says, "Can you search the web for the top 3 AI and tech news stories today and give me a quick summary of each?" I'll send this. And then right here, it executed it perfectly. It gave me 3 of the top headlines today. So just like that, it went out to the web, pulled in the latest news, and gave us a summary right here in Telegram. Now, what if we wanted this to happen automatically every single morning without us having to ask? That's where jobs come in. So I'm going to send another message here at the bottom. This message says, "Can you set up a daily job that sends me a summary of the top 3 AI and tech news stories every morning at 9 a.m. Central Time?" So let's go ahead and send that. And there it is. We now have an automated job that's going to send us a news briefing every morning at 9 a.m. right here in Telegram. We just told our assistant what we wanted and it set it up. And that's really how you work with Hermes. You start with a skill or a task, you test it out, and then you turn it into a recurring job. The more you use it, the more skills it builds on its own, and the better it gets at helping you out. So take some time, explore those skill categories I showed you a moment ago, and start building out your own workflows.